Have you ever noticed how some old things in your house slowly become invisible, even though they still take up space every single day? A lot of people keep old items not because they truly need them, but simply because they've gotten used to seeing them around. But over time, too much unused stuff can quietly make your home feel smaller, heavier, and more mentally exhausting. Your brain constantly processes the environment around you, which means even forgotten objects can still create mental noise in the background. So in this video, we're going to talk about the real reasons why throwing away old stuff can make your home feel cleaner, calmer, and surprisingly more relaxing. One of the biggest reasons you should throw away old stuff is that it creates what we call visual noise, which means your brain is constantly seeing more information than it actually needs. Even if you are not actively thinking about these objects, your brain is still processing their presence in the background. This constant low-level processing can make your environment feel mentally heavier even if the room is technically clean. That's why some rooms feel messy in your mind even when everything is just sitting in place and not actually dirty. Your brain prefers spaces where it does not need to constantly filter unnecessary details just to understand the environment. The more old and unused items you keep, the more your brain treats your home like a busy environment instead of a relaxing one. And once your environment feels visually busy all the time, it becomes harder for your mind to fully rest even at home. Another reason you should throw away old stuff is emotional attachment, because many items in your home are not useful anymore. But you keep them simply because of memory or habit. The problem is, these items often remind you of the past, which makes it harder for your brain to decide whether they still belong in your present life. Because of that, your brain starts treating old objects as emotionally important, even when they no longer serve any real purpose. This is why many people struggle to throw things away, even when they already know they don't need them anymore. It's not about the object itself, it's about the memory your brain attaches to it. But the truth is, keeping everything just because of memory can slowly turn your space into emotional clutter. And when emotional clutter builds up, it becomes even harder for your home to feel light, calm, and truly relaxing. A third reason you should throw away old stuff is that clutter slowly increases mental fatigue, because your brain is constantly doing small background work just to ignore unnecessary objects. Even if you are not consciously thinking about the mess, your brain still has to filter it out every second you are in the room. This constant filtering may seem small, but over time it builds up and makes you feel mentally tired without knowing why. That's why some people feel drained at home even when they haven't done anything physically exhausting. Your environment affects your brain more than you realize, especially when it is filled with unnecessary visual input. The more unnecessary things you have around you, the more your brain stays in a low-level alert state, constantly processing and organizing information in the background instead of fully relaxing. And when your brain stays in that constant processing mode for too long, your home stops feeling like a place where you can truly rest, even if everything looks normal on the surface. Another important reason you should throw away old stuff is that clutter can quietly reduce your focus and productivity. Even when you are just trying to do simple tasks at home, when your environment is filled with unnecessary objects, your brain gets distracted more easily because it has more things to process visually. This is why even if you sit down with the intention to work or relax, your attention keeps drifting to the things around you instead of staying on one task. Over time, this constant distraction can make tasks feel more tiring and take longer to finish, even if they are actually simple. A clean environment helps your brain stay more focused because there are fewer things competing for your attention. That's why in cleaner spaces, your brain doesn't have to constantly switch attention between different objects, which makes it easier to stay in one task longer and actually finish things with less mental effort. And once your brain is no longer constantly pulled in different directions by unnecessary visual distractions, you naturally become more productive, more relaxed, and more in control of your time at home. The final reason you should throw away old stuff is because it can keep you mentally stuck in the past, especially when your environment is full of items that represent old versions of your life. Every old object carries a small piece of memory, and when you keep too many of them, your mind keeps revisiting moments that are no longer part of your present life. This doesn't mean memories are bad, but when they are constantly surrounding you, they can make it harder to fully focus on where you are right now. That's why some people feel emotionally heavy in their own rooms, even when everything looks normal and nothing is physically wrong. Letting go of old stuff is not just about cleaning your space, but also about giving your mind more room to focus on your present life. When you remove unnecessary emotional clutter, your environment starts to feel lighter, clearer, and more peaceful to live in every day. And once your space is no longer filled with reminders of the past, it becomes much easier to enjoy the present and feel truly comfortable at home. So in the end, throwing away old stuff isn't just about having a cleaner room, it's about giving your mind less stress, less distraction, and more space to actually breathe. Because sometimes, the reason you don't feel comfortable in your own space isn't the space itself, but everything you've allowed to stay inside it for too long. If you want to make your home feel lighter, calmer, and more comfortable to live in, make sure to subscribe, because we share simple tips that help you improve your space and your daily environment in practical ways. See you on the next one.